Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a new vlog. It's me Michelle, and today's video is gonna be a SHEIN haul. So it's my first time ever shopping on SHEIN since many years. Honestly, I have been shopping on SHEIN since the past 6 years, and it's really good affordable brand, and I love shopping on SHEIN. So it's my first time showing a mini SHEIN haul on YouTube, so I'm really excited for that. And the most important thing is I got a discount. So I got one thing and I got 4 free. So altogether I have 5 buy 5 get 4 free. So it was an offer going on, so my friend had sent me a link, so on that I got this deal, and I have the package right here. So it's really a cute one. Actually, it's really a mini haul. I just got two tops and one bag and some of the other things. So without wasting time, let's move into the video. And I'm having like sore throat, like I'm just coughing almost like 2 hours now. So I was saying that I used to shop so much on SHEIN in a couple of years, like almost like 6-7 years ago. And all the college outfits and things were from SHEIN, and everyone used to do the same thing exactly. So I still remember I used to collect like points every day, like almost like £1, £2, and you know, after that collecting like almost 1,000 points, I used to get something for free. Like, you know, once you redeem that and you get something for free. So here it is quite different. You do that same thing, but if you don't order something, those points just disappear out of nowhere. So that's something really bad. I think that shouldn't happen. And before I used to like shop so much on SHEIN, and once I came to London, I stopped doing that thing. And and this is my first SHEIN haul ever on YouTube, so I'm really excited for that as well. And it's a buy one get one free. Like, who doesn't like something for free? So without wasting time, let's go in the video. Yeah, so here is my mini package that I got. So the first thing that I have is, I'll show you, is this cute little jumper. It's like a fall kind of jumper, and I just got this. It's not like a jumper, it's just like a neated cardigan, and I absolutely love the color and the print of it, and the fabric as well. It's really soft. So it is somewhat like this. So basically on that app I could like just select a particular things in those 15 minutes. So I was given 15 minutes to select those particular things, and out of that I had this top right here. So it's a cardigan with buttons, and it's a cute one. So it's having like gold detailing right here with some gold and whitish, and it's a really soft, like it's really like, you know, a duvet kind of thing, and I absolutely love it a lot. I don't know which size is this, honestly. Probably it's a small, because yeah, I think it's a small. So I'll link everything down there, and it's also having 2 pockets, as you can see. So this can be worn like on a white satin skirt or a white trouser or a beige skirt. Like, I think so it will go well with, you know, with a skirt it will look more better. So it is somewhat like this. Also, you can gift these items. Really, honestly, it's like so cute and gorgeous. Like, you can wear this any time of the day. Like, you know, you can wear it like even with jeans. It will look quite good with jeans and some boots as well. And it's also having 2 pockets, which are cute pockets. You can see it's really soft, guys. Like, I can't tell you how soft it is. It's just like what to say, I don't know, I'm not getting the word exactly what to say for this. So this is the first thing that I got from SHEIN, and I'll link this product in the description box. And the second thing that I have is another one. So I don't know what this is, honestly. I got this package 2 months ago, and I'm filming everything now because I recently moved again. That's why I moved again, because that house was not good at all. So staying in London is really difficult, guys. Like, it's really difficult. and like, you know, you have to deal with a lot of things, and moving is a headache, like literally a headache. So I couldn't film anything over there. So once I came here, I could do something that I actually love. And you know, I kept all the hauls pending for like to film it here and show it to you guys, upload it. So I don't know what this thing is, honestly. I don't know what it is, and you can clearly see I haven't worn it at all. It doesn't have, SHEIN doesn't come with any tags, so of course, like, duh. Oh, this is the jumper. Now I got it. So this is the second thing that I got, which is a cute beige jumper. So I'm a beige girly and I would love to shop anything in beige, every time and anytime in beige. Like, I'm a fall girl, and honestly I haven't clicked any fall pictures. Like, I've been so busy. I've been like working all day. I don't have time for myself, as pretty much I used to do before. So this is the second thing that I got, and it's in a beige with black bows on it. It looks really cute, and honestly they have the same pajama night suits available as well. So I was supposed to get that one, but then I thought like, why not get this one? I could just wear it with a nice pair of jeans and boots with a trench coat. So it is somewhat, it's not that baggy, it's like perfect size. It's not that, you know, it's a cropped kind of a thing. And honestly, anything for free works very well. So this is free as well. I got this for in a size small, and it was like for 14 pounds, and even this one is for 17 or 18 pounds, guys. Honestly, I got it for free. I just had to pay on, I didn't get everything for free. I just had to pay for one thing, which was like 11 pounds, 11.50 pounds. So I just paid for that. I don't know which of the thing is, I think it's a t-shirt basically. So it is somewhat like this, and the back is, you know, plain behind. So it looks really nice, and I got everything in small because I'm a small. And even the round neck looks really good because it's winter and I'm feeling cold, and I'm always feeling cold, and I'm always in this. So basically I got this one, and it's really cute. Also, I want to try getting the night suit in the black bow, which is a cute aesthetic. You know, you can get this one as well. And the third piece I got is a t-shirt. It's not for me, it's for my boyfriend. So here it is. I thought like, why not buy for him as well, or else he'll think I'm only shopping for myself. So this is the one I paid for. So this was for 11.50, and it's a blue t-shirt with, what is that? Oh, it's written New York. Okay, it's New York here, and it's a basic t-shirt. You can just wear it anytime with a nice, what to say, joggers or something like that. So it's just a basic t-shirt which I paid 11 pounds for, and I got this in a size L, large. So it is somewhat like this. Not bad at all, because I thought like getting something for free, it would like not be that great, but it's absolutely cute. Like, who gets it for free, honestly? So I'm really happy with everything that I got. So this is one of those, and it's really a nice purchase. I don't know why SHEIN doesn't come with tags. Like, I don't know why it doesn't come with tags. And the most exciting thing of the haul is, I've been waiting to show you this. Almost I waited 2 months to show you this thing. So as you know, I recently got a Longchamp bag in a navy. So I got the same exact one for free. So it is here, and this is the mini version of that. Okay, so it is the mini version of the Longchamp bag, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Like, the quality is exactly the same. Honestly, it's exactly the same. Okay, this bag cost really 90 pounds, and I got it for free, and this was just for 8 pounds. Honestly, this was just for 8 pounds. Like, I can't believe this quality, and the bag is exactly the same. Only thing, this handle right here, it is quite different. Honestly, the shape is only different. Other than that, everything is the same. Like, honestly, I totally love this bag. Like, the color, the handle, everything is really cute. Also, it came with a strap right here. So this is something that I really needed. Okay, I thought like you know, I don't need, someone who would like spend 90 pounds on a mini bag that has like nothing. Of course, if you're rich you can do it, but not for me. So I got this one for free and I absolutely adore this bag a lot. I have used it once and it's really good. Like, it fits my iPhone 14 Pro Max, and yeah, I've been loving it. It's quite difficult to put this right here. Oh my gosh. So it is somewhat like this, and the strap is perfect. You can just, it has adjustable hooks as well. Hoops, sorry. So my hair is quite messy. I have not blow dried, not done anything honestly, and it's somewhat like this. So the bag is really cute. You can just open it right here, and there is this zip which is aesthetic as well. It has a gold detailing right here, and it is a cute little bag. You can just put a lot of stuff in this. It looks small, but it has a lot of space inside. So it is my cute little mini long champ for free. So here it is. And honestly, I've seen a lot of dupes on SHEIN, from Zara, from all the type of brands. Like even I saw mango bags from SHEIN which are on dupe, and this one is also the cutest one ever. I never thought like they would have one of these. I think they also have a blue one on these, but I got this one because I already have a blue. So yes, this is a really cute purchase that I ever have. I like the cute handle because it makes it really cute. And the last thing that I have is, honestly, I couldn't pick anything else. I just had a minute to choose something, so I choose this one, which are these cute little cherries, which I got it from SHEIN. You can just like put it for your bag, and it's really good. The quality is really nice. It's quite heavy as well, and the gold hardware is really good and thick. It is so thick that it just won't fall off from your bag. Only thing, it's quite heavy for a lightweight bag. So what else can you expect from SHEIN? Like, you can just get this for 1 or 2 pounds. So I just got it for free. I don't know how much is it. I'll just link everything down below the description box, and you can try this one as well. It's a really cute cherry right here. You can just put it for your bag. It's the same size as my bag, so yeah, you can put it for the big one. And yes, all of these were the 5 items that I showed you from SHEIN, and hope you all liked it. So this was my mini SHEIN haul, and see you in my next one. Till then, take care, and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye. And also don't forget to give me 1,000 subscribers, please.